This is why your Silverado might just leave you stranded. If your alternator's acting up, don't panic. Here's a quick guide to get you back on the road. First, let's talk symptoms. If your truck's battery light is on, headlights are dim, or you're hearing weird whining noises, your alternator could be the culprit. You might even notice trouble starting or electronics randomly failing. Step 1. Pop the hood and check your battery connections. Loose or corroded cables can mimic alternator problems. Give those terminals a good clean and make sure everything's tight. Step 2. With the engine running, use a multimeter to check voltage at the battery. You want a reading around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If it's much lower, your alternator probably isn't charging. Step 3. Listen for strange noises near the alternator. Grinding or squealing means a worn-out bearing or a loose belt. If things still aren't adding up, it might be time for a pro to test the alternator or replace it altogether. Remember, ignoring this can leave you stuck with a dead battery. That's it. A quick rundown to help you diagnose a failing alternator in your Chevy Silverado. Stay safe and keep your truck running strong.